Okay, so now the TA should assign the job seeker back to the TM, and then the TM assigns it back to the uh, employment specialist. Okay, so this is what the TM does, and then files it to the ES. Okay, so now we are in logged in as ES, and you see we have this job seeker over here. Okay, and here we go and we create the development plans for this particular job seeker. And for this development plan, you can enter other details. Like you can enter the goals as you want. Goal assigned to this thing. What's the milestone date and other things. If you want, you can add other. What's the description? What is the phase? Okay. So like this, for a particular development plan, you can have multiple goals. You can even assign tasks if you want something to be done. You can manage documents. All these things are possible, and all the progress is tracked over here, and it shows the complete summary view of your task and the priorities over here. Now, if you go back to job seeker, so what we are going to do is to print the list of all the whole development plan. In development plans, here we are going to give an option saying as print the development form or the development plan, the whole development plan, so that it could be exported to an Excel file and it could be printed. So which could be copied to the client, and he can also follow up over there, and he fills the updates on that sheet and gives back to the employment specialist, who can update the goals over here. Okay, so now goals are defined as development plans, which we are doing all those things. Then we invite. Then what we can do is, another thing is, we can invite this under this job seeker. We can invite him to what all kinds of events we are going to have, like your weekly job club or whatever. So you can go over here to client details, and you can schedule an activity or whatever you want. You can do it over here. If you want, you can even schedule a recurring event also. So if you say add an event, so if you go to activities and you say add an event, if you go to the full form, you can mention the details over here, like send reminder. If you want to send a reminder before the event, so you can schedule that as well. And if you want to repeat it, you can set the details over here. So you can say repeat it every 1 week until this day or Tuesday. So automatically on each week, this event will be created, and the notifications will be sent to the client and the employment specialist both. So this way we can schedule our job club schedule. Okay, and then the placement. So this is a thing on which we need to get some information, like what is the employment form and the work and income placement confirmation form. So for these things we need to get feedback from the client. That's all. So in the similar way, we can do the regional contract employment way, which is pretty much kind of the same thing, only the assignments would differ over here. And we are going to, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to have a plugin which should help us to to print all those documents and forms as we need. And we can also, if we have the proper, since we had the consent form and initial interview form, so those emails which we send to schedule the appointment and all those things, if we have that, we can even create the templates and we can save it over here. So it would be easy for us to send the emails and as and when required. Thanks.